the pan on a medium heat. Secondly, add 2 tablespoons of flour, then a pinch of salt, nothing more. Then mix together, mix thoroughly until it becomes light and fluffy, kind of bubbly. Keep on mixing. In a separate bowl, add half cup of butter and half cup of sugar. You can either use a brown sugar or white sugar. It's your choice. And you can either hand mix or mix with an electric mixer. It's your choice. Mix until smooth and creamy in texture. Mix thoroughly for better effect. So after doing this, add it to the flour mixture. This is where the form begins. Then mix thoroughly until it becomes light and fluffy as well. So next, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract or powder. Yeah, it tastes just the same. Now mix it. Yes. You can add more sugar for more thickness, is your choice. Yeah. It tastes just like real icing sugar. So if you can go out, get one, you can use it.